What's up, Prince Squad? Y'all, it's like 3 a.m. It's like past 3 a.m. y'all. Look, y'all see what time it is right there? It's 3:38 a.m. Y'all see that? So your girl still haven't been to sleep. So even though I'm about to go to bed for like until like 8 o'clock or so, I did want to just jump on here because it is a new day. So I'm about to get ready to go to sleep, and when I get up, if y'all want to see what I do today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Good morning, squad. Man, your girl didn't get much sleep last night. This mask got my nose all sweating and stuff. So today I'm trying to run to IKEA, and I left something very important over at Matt's shop, so I'm gonna have to run back over there too. So y'all get to see them again in this video too. But I'm getting ready to head on over to IKEA, and my kids want me to, well actually my youngest son got me out looking for something else too. He's wanting me to look and see if they got these little slushy things that they sell at Walmart. It's like a slush, and you buy it and you put it in the freezer and it turns into like a slush. So I'm looking for some of these for my son because they don't have them in our area right now for some reason, whatever reason. I guess they're just popular, the kids love them. But I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to go. So let me go ahead and get this GPS and put it in, and hopefully my phone worked better yesterday, y'all, because your girl phone was tripping yesterday. And hopefully I got enough footage yesterday, y'all, because there was a lot going on, and I didn't want to make it like I'm there to play, you know. I came to help Matt, so I wasn't trying to be, you know, just playing, even though, you know, we want to have some fun and do a couple videos. But I'm gonna get ready to head on over to this place, and I'm gonna let y'all go with me. Y'all, your girl been doing some driving today. Y'all know your girl live in the woods. This traffic though, but we've been had it was okay. It wasn't too many close calls today, but we good. We almost there. All right, y'all, we made it. I don't know if they're letting people in right now because it says call something. I don't know. I can't really read the sign. I'm gonna have to go over here and see what this sign's saying. All right, I'm going over here to McB Supply so I can see what they talk about right there. So they not letting people in. You gotta call them. So let me get on the phone and see. I might have to swing back through here after I go to this other place I have to go to. So let me get on here. Let me call. My camera not wanting to cooperate today. I don't know if y'all can even hear me. It says call for curbside pickup. So I'm gonna get on here. I'm gonna call them, and I'm gonna see what, you know, what the deal is. Okay, y'all, so I called them and they brought me out right here. Let me close this up. It's got a bright up in here. They brought me out the form right here. I don't know if y'all can even see it, but this is basically their little shopping book, but it's just like a printout. So I'm gonna go ahead and make out my little list right quick, and then they're gonna bring everything out to me.
Then the Tecmar.
All right.
That'll be your solution for your gun. 2 boxes of the McWipes. And a gallon of your black.
Okay. Alright.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Okay. You have to pick your orders up right here. Yeah, y'all, with this, it's serious police out here with this corona stuff, y'all. They not letting anybody in. You just gotta order and pick your orders up curbside. Pretty much like everything else. Yeah. Alright, so I got all my stuff in here. Everything in here. Actually, I gotta pick up a table from IKEA. So, yeah, that's everything. We ready to go. Let's go. This is where
You'll arrive at IKEA.
Right
Your
here.
destination will be on your left.
This is where we're going right here. I know you can. This is where we're going right here. Alright, y'all. Your girl is about to run up into IKEA. This is my first time coming over here, actually. I've been like seeing the stuff online. I actually tried to order online, but they wouldn't let me for some reason. I don't know. But I'm gonna run on up in here. I keep having to adjust that. I'm gonna run on up in here. I'm gonna leave my camera in the car. I might use my phone if it's something film worthy. But yeah, I'm gonna run up in here and get what I need to get so I can get back on this road and get back to Louisiana. But I'm gonna check back in with y'all shortly. Y'all, IKEA was kind of overwhelming, y'all. So and then they didn't have what I needed.
Turn right.
They didn't have
Turn
what I
left.
needed. Is this it? No, it's on down. It's on down. I thought that was where I was supposed to turn. I could have turned right there, but I'm gonna go over this way. Yeah.
Turn right. And turn left.
Yeah, and then it say turn right, then turn left, but that's the wrong instructions. I turn right, then I keep going, and then I turn right. My bad, I'm not even filming myself. But yeah, IKEA, they didn't have what I needed. They was out of stock, and they're not. I mean, I don't even know. They just have a lot going on
Turn
up in
left.
that place. Okay, if I turn left, I'm running right into this fence. Y'all see this fence over here to my left? Y'all see it? It's a fence over here to my left, and it's talking about turn left. You keep straight. You keep straight, thing. Maybe I need to contact them and give them the instructions. Okay, and then I turn right. I think this is where it's at. Let me see. Yeah, this is it. I be having a problem coming over here sometime. So, yeah. All right. This is the place
You've
right
arrived at
here.
your destination.
Yeah, this is the place right here. All right. So I'm going to turn right here and park right here, and then I'm gonna run up in here and get my thing so I can get on this road. All right, y'all gonna come in with me? All right. What's up? All right. Oh, the front of it. Look, you gonna have to leave me alone today now. What's up?
You missed us already?
Yeah, I decided I'm not going back. Yeah, y'all, I didn't want to bother Matt them too much because he's super busy. I mean, he had a lot going on, and he's printing another big order. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get on back on this road. Let me see. And that's the last of Mikey Design shop right there. So we getting up out of here, y'all. So I'm gonna go on. Let me see.
Make a U-turn.
I'm gonna go on and end this, y'all, so I can get home safely. But I appreciate y'all watching. I know this one was probably short. I might have them both together. But I'll see
In
you.
500 feet, turn right.
Okay, I
Then
got
turn
you.
right.
I got you.
Make a U-turn.
But yeah, I appreciate y'all, and I will see you guys in another video. Prince Squad out.